Here's one thing I always say about Los Angeles. Unless you're like filthy rich,
Yes.
there's no living situation in Los Angeles where you're not sacrificing something to be
100%.
where you are.
And I won't sacrifice air conditioning anymore. Therefore, I will have a roommate.
I feel like my house right now is perfect
Yes.
if it had central air.
What's your ideal temperature?
I'm a high 60s guy.
You should live with my roommate right now because she likes to have it at like 68, 69. And for me, that's just cold enough to wake me up out of my sleep because I think we're in the ice age now.